All right, so it's about 10:30 in the morning. Started doing the insulation on the east wall. It's the one that catches the sun in the mornings. It's not the worst of the two, but as soon as the sun comes up around 7 till about noon, it's direct sunlight on this wall, except for where my little covered porch is over here. So that part of it really doesn't get much sun. So that's a little bit of a reprieve. But this part right here, well, I got my little lean-to over the door. But so this right here, I mean, it's pretty much on the sun. That section right there is pretty much in the sun. It'll slowly kind of creep down, but just want to give you a little update on what the insulation's doing. So, let the ACs run now. So right now in the shop, it's, upper 70s. Now, it's like about 10:30 in the morning, so the sun's been on this for about 3-4 hours. That wall is pretty warm. So let's just look here. So, okay, the midsection is 112. It went up to 115. Okay, we go down a little bit, about 110. Okay, I've already got that top done, so let's just see. So it says 93, so it's about 20 degrees cooler. Over here, this whole section right here, I got knocked out. So all 3 panels, so there's no heat radiating up and behind the insulation at the top like it is over there. So let's just take a look. So it says 82 degrees. '84, '85. A little higher. This is 92. Of course, the roof is catching direct sunlight, and it's a little warm. I'm going to have to come back when I'm done with all the walls and get all that squared away and probably run some panels across the roof to really close it in. But the temperature in the shop right now is about 78. This wall, it's only right here in the center, 86 on this side. Right on the other side of the door, same sun, 111. So, I mean, that's 25 degrees difference. So, try to get this rest of this wall finished out, this afternoon, and then I'll just have the end of the shop there. It's kind of cluttered in here right now. I've got everything pulled away from the walls. The end of the shop there, which, I've got a 10-foot, this roof goes out another 10 feet. There's a concrete slab back there, and so that wall never gets direct sunlight. So, see if we can shoot it real quick and see where it's at. So yeah, it's kind of, same as the insulation over there now. So, and then the front wall, which is basically the 2 big roll-up doors, which are fiberglass, they kind of, radiate a little bit of the heat away, but just some small sections in there. They don't catch direct sunlight until the end of the day. Same, 85, 86. And then this little section over here that I just got to put some patch pieces in. Now, in the afternoon, the sun goes down, it does hit this corner. So this part heats up a pretty good bit. We'll make sure that that's addressed. And then this section over here, there's no direct sun on it right now, so it's starting to creep over that way a little bit. You can see out the little vent where the sun is shining pretty bright. This vent's 79 degrees. I bet you that's air going out of this vent, keeping it cool on this side. So anyway, the door, which that's a steel insulated door. Shows 80 on this side. 80 degrees. Let's see if it's in the sun at all. Yeah, at the bottom there. Let's see what the bottom says. Yeah, 122. You can't see it, but it's reading about 120, 122. So that's a 30-degree difference right there from one side of the door to the other. Anyway, get the rest of this wall knocked out, and that's going to keep a lot of the heat off. Peace.